Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some unidentified network no internet access in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press enter. After doing this, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a control panel, go to your control panel, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings, select a adapter internet adapter which is used to connect your internet. Right click, go to your properties, click on internet protocol version 4, go to your properties, select use the following DNS addresses 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. Click OK button, close it. After that, disable it, and after a few seconds once again enable it. Now it is connected. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your network and internet, click on advanced network settings, click on more adapter options, click on a network reset and click on reset now. When you click on a reset now, your computer after a few minutes restart automatically and your problem is fixed. If your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that go to your search box and type a device manager. Open a device manager. First of all, select a network adapter. Select a internet network connection adapter. Select it, right click on a update driver. First of all, select a search automatically for drivers. Close it. If your problem is still, then you can select a network adapter, click on update driver, select a browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer, select it, click on next button. After I close it. If your problem is still, then you can right click and uninstall the device. When you click on uninstall this device, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.